In today's video, we are going to be playing with Oreo.
Yes, we're playing with Oreo.
An animal hospital. Here. Let me see if I have a server. Okay. Join me.
I'm going. I am going. Where are you?
Oh, you know what? Oh, that's on my account. I know the password and stuff. Let me just get the odds. Sorry, guys. Skip forward like a minute.
Yeah, just like get a snack.
Go. Sign in. You just popped on my arm.
Sorry. I'm trying not to. Man, I remember Piggy.
Wow, how you looking?
And my palms are over my hands. I mean my eyes. My eyes are open and I can't even see anything.
Please, Rick.
Cheese written. Alright.
I got you in. Were you watching the whole time?
No, I was just like.
Wait, why is there two people called BFF, 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 BFF? Alright. Sorry, guys. You skipped forward 2 minutes. Good job.
What?
Dude, the song Milkshake is in my head right now.
What is milkshake? I'm a milkshake. Is that how it starts?
No. Here,
Wait, what do I look like? Ew, I'm pink. But I sadly don't have secretary like my actual account.
yeah, this, I'm for some reason gonna play a level of mine that has Duckster. So, this is Duckster. This is the song Duckster. You don't remember this song? What?
Get the patient and will one.
Okay.
Ron will want on it.
Alright. Bro, why is it giving me a tutorial right now?
It always does a tutorial at the start.
I wish there's an option where you could just disable it. You just disable the tutorial. No.
What does your guy need?
I already treated him.
Oh, okay.
Wow, yours already needs 2.
No, I'm just like saying which one it is. Dude, don't help.
I have the eye drops.
Dude, I also do. Just get out of my way.
How do you turn out the front camera? Oh, no. Although like the cams are offline, but then the doctor comes and fixes it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are the eye drops so creepy?
I don't know. Are they? Oh no, I have to. I get controlled by AI.
Oh no, like the AI thing.
Yes.
The AI just made me kiss that guy.
Oh, there's a headbanger.
There's, hey. There's a headbanger. Coffee. How much sanity do you have?
No, don't. He's twitching.
Oh. Oh, yep, look at this.
See?
It looks,
twitching.
it looks like a cat. This guy is the normal version of him.
Finn Taylor. You check him in. I have had experience with a real Taylor, aka a Karen. I have had experience with a Karen named Taylor. So
This guy is a Karen then?
yes,
Room 5.
he might throw coffee at you.
Then I'll do well and be fast. Never had any last people they hired. Are you just watching me? There's somebody at the front
I
desk.
just died. Oh. Okay, so King, I will check you in. But this is Karen.
Oh my gosh. Maple syrup, maple syrup, maple syrup.
Mop, mop, mop. Maple syrup. Syrup. Maple syrup.
Ouch. Yeah, I saw the monster like under the bed and
Oh man, and you maple syrup tripped it.
yep. Dehydration and bruises. IV drops and med kit. IV drops, med kit.
Finally, bro comes. Sheesh. I'm doing nothing to this patient.
What room are you in? I'm guessing room 2. Room 1?
I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing.
Yeah, that thing actually just automatically turned on.
You see nothing. I'll do it. Map syrup.
I'll do the ointment, you do the maple syrup. Wait, did I just call the ointment appointment?
Appointment. I will get the appointment.
Yeah. I dealt with the Karen.
Ringing the dang doorbell. If you know that neither of us are there.
I hope you're not new at this. You've been playing this for about a day.
Not a day.
For about a week. Thanks. I'll be in room 3.
I've been playing it for like a month.
Okay. Don't. Oh. I actually. It was saying don't look up. I didn't even realize the creepy eyeball monster is here.
Do the eye drops.
Dude, it's not working. Here, can you do the eye drops? I don't know how to do it.
Okay.
I have eye drops. It's in room 3. Where the big googly eye monster thing is.
Okay. There.
You did it?
Yep.
So now you can look up?
Yep.
Ew, that's so gross.
I know.
Ew.
And if you give it some more eye drops, I think it'll disappear.
No, it just disappears after a bit.
Oh.
Please be dread eyes. Just have eye drops. Here, how about you take these out? Just bleeding. This guy's... Bro, he's just bleeding. I bleed all the time. You can just do it at home. The doctor is arriving.
The Duke door.
The-
Door.
The poop door. Having the new facilities for you. Shop. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're
I'm
glitching through
doing-
the table.
I'm doing.
Wait, what? You could just buy that
Yeah. Check in.
extra check-in?
Yep.
I could also buy that. Wait, isn't there extra check-in? Wait.
Wait, this is the water event. I'm pretty sure this
Oh, yeah.
is really new.
Bro, the whole hospital, it's flooded.
Yeah, this
I
is.
just got -10 stalker.
Yeah, dude, this is either new or rare.
I'll be in Raboon 8.
Okay, let's both get him.
It's funny how he says Raboon 8. They do lose lights just flicker. Bro, how's the floor wet when the whole hospital is flooded?
I don't know.
Come on, what are you doing? This guy is in room 8.
Oh yeah.
That requires a 2-person thing.
Well, it's not requiring. It just like.
Alright.
Okay, I will get the IV drops for the start. The organ
And
the transplant.
what will I get?
You will get the scissors
Oh.
and the scalpel.
Bruh, I just got...
Oh, actually do the scissors and the med kit.
Okay, I'm keeping this inside me, though.
Okay. I got the IV drops.
Organ.
Three.
Medkit.
Med kit.
I
Yeah.
have medkit. Bandages. Scissors. I have the scalpel.
Bandage.
Medicine.
And there. Hey, with 15.
Hey, that's our new record. At least when I was here.
the slowest record I've done is with 1 second left. Like literally.
I think there might be a one where you just got 0 and the patient oofed. I got roommate Brett again. Hey, at least it's like a fun challenge. Like if the patient dies, it's just a game. Bro, they're just
They phase through.
bro, they gotta add collision and the patients walk around each other, you know?
Why not? What? Hello? Where did they go? They said this was the room. Nah. Bro left too fast to where Ron couldn't see him. That is a game glitch. So the person that made it to where like if you check them in after you heal the patient, they're like, where are they?
Sir, they already left.
Yeah, they
Bro,
just,
look at my screen. Bro, Oreo, look at my screen. I'm going back.
Hey yo!
Oh my!
That guy has some lips.
Dang,
That guy
girl.
has some lips. Bro has some lips.
Wait. Okay, he's pretty normal.
Yeah, he looks normal.
Yes,
That's
He's-
the picture.
he's a not anomaly.
Ah.
He's normal.
Man, I can't believe Ron from accounting came right after
The banks. The banks ruby woobly.
Boom boom one. Boom. Barney.
No more. This room is clear. Alright, animal on the hospital, ladies. Is there always gloves right here? Has there always been gloves right here?
Yeah.
Okay. I just like. Stomachache. Wait, +1 rain? What does that mean?
I don't know.
It gave me a piece of sanity, so it's good.
Yeah, but there's Ron. He finally left the room.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, anomaly.
Just
Oh, don't close it yet, dude. It's dead coral. It's dead coral,
Wait, what does he look like?
dude. It
Oh.
looks like dead coral.
Holy smokes, on the cameras, he has a big old mouth.
Oh yeah. Hurry up. Oh. Okay, you can close the shutters.
Or we could have sent him.
Okay, you can open it. What is it?
Here, I feel like he's an anomaly. Nope, he's not an anomaly. I'm literally going to inspect this photo. Looks normal.
Throw him in the trash. Dude, throw him in the trash.
Bro,
Dude, throw him in the trash.
it says to. Where is the trash?
Dude. Dude, just throw them in the trash.
I thought it was pointing me to a trash.
No, it never does that. It wants you to waste a life.
Bro, again? If this guy faints, Dude, that's another lip guy thing.
I know.
Looks pretty normal.
Why do these guys have massive lips?
Yeah. I'm not one of those weird
Okay, finally. The big
Raboon 7.
Raboon 7.
I like the underwater and how they talk. Raboon 7. Appointment. Uh-oh, don't look up.
I got it.
Okay. Eye drops?
No, okay.
Yeah, I don't really know how to do it. It's just kind of weird. How much sanity do you have?
63.
I have 43.
Whoa.
Both of our sanities prepare patient. Again, heart scan complete.
Yeah, how do you do it in one click?
I don't know. My game's probably just weird. I don't know. I just got to go into it, and it's already complete somehow. So weird.
What is this?
This is the script for a music video. Okay, heart scan complete. You always leave me up to the heart scan because for me, I don't really have to do anything. Yeah, I don't know why. Wait, what? This is a trash can? This right here is a trash can? Saying this is a trash can.
I get.
Look at this. I'm gonna go grab a unnecessary item, like a bandage. And look at this. I just threw it away. Wash your hands. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Stay safe. Bruh. No.
Dude, that is a room 7.
Okay, somebody just invited me to a game, like Fart Clicker Simulation or something. I don't know why.
Ew.
Guys, rewind at 0.25 speed. Tell me what that said in the comments.
Sped, human. 0.25 sped. That's what it is. Oh.
Why did I just take the fire extinguisher and go like... Wait, what? A fire extinguisher 100? Balls! Look at this. Bro, did you know when you put the fire extinguisher back here, it actually recharges?
That's like I never knew that.
Dee dang ding dong. How much sanity do you have?
I have 61.
I have 41. Can I have the coffee?
No, I'm just kidding, yeah.
Yeah, I have less sanity than you have. I'm leaving one last tip for the other guy.
Dude, look, I can break this poster.
Wait, what? You can?
And then we need Rathiu's key. You
What?
need a key to open
Wait, what
it.
room are you in? Room 7?
Look for the room that I'm in.
There's a red line above this. So,
This is what it looks like.
oh. Oh. I know what room you are in. I saw the door close. You're in room 5.
Yep.
I thought you were standing on something.
Oh. Yeah, but we need a key from Ratsu to open it.
I just got +1 rain again.
Same.
Is it when I stepped in that rain puddle?
Maybe.
I don't know what's going on.
I think we just get rain randomly.
Same. No rooms have the eerie eye monster. None of them have the eye. Wait.
Eerie eye monster.
Yeah, it's not in any of the rooms. What do you mean? Treat remains patient.
Treat remains patient.
Oh, treat remaining patients 1. Where exactly?
I don't know.
Treat remaining patients in room. It's not 1 to 5. In 7. Oh, it's in 7. Heart scan complete. It says heart scan complete in here though.
No, dude, there's more stuff on that.
Oh. I'm so favored. Sorry. There. Thermo. I feel so sad about myself right now. The doctor is arriving. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, doctor, I'm locking you out of this. Oh, I'm not going to use it. Use it wisely.
Let me get it, okay?
I've never even got to touch this.
Dude, I know how to use it, okay?
Best oil. Right, I just... Oh, shoot. Open. I want to check in as a patient. I want to just color it off.
I'm gonna save one. Because if I get $1,000, I can buy the...
Oh, no.
If I get $1,000, I can buy
Is this an anomaly?
Yes. If anything is different, it's an anomaly.
Yep. It was cursed photo and cursed photo. What? I already did. Okay. Oh, yay. Oh, wait, I just realized the eye monster thing is here. Thermal bandages, cough syrup. All I remember is cough syrup, and bandages. Bandages. And syrup. Maple syrup. Is there a trash can? Need trash can. Where's the trash can?
You are a trash can. Hello. Hello, so. I'm tired of waiting. Sorry, this is the way of the hospital.
Oh, and by the way, I bought 25% faster of those like computers at the thing.
Oh. Those are Chris' photo. Hi, bot.
The on the last one is correct, and the eyes are more realistic.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this one, it was the teeth that was more realistic.
Yeah, if anything's more realistic, or if there's, if there is like red stuff on the photo, which I don't think is possible, or something, I don't know. Then yeah. Starting from shift 5, we can only check in anomalies, and have to check in anomalies.
No, in the next video.
Oh, okay. What? No service?
No, dude, we forgot to open up the shutters.
Oh, bro, that was a normal guy. Wait, what?
What? Stalker? I didn't even see you. The stalker keeps appearing. Hello? Oh gosh, I'm at 4%. No, don't heal me. Hey, get killed by the stalker.
Who looks like Rathu?
What?
Who looks like Rathu?
It's Rathu's sister.
Alright, well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, see you in the next one. Peace.